fat little cupcakes and shit. This fat bitch know about all the new snacks before they even hit the street. All the bootleg snacks. The year 2000 snacks. Yeah, go tell me the other day, talking about, Cupcake got a new Twinkie coming out next month. It's a bad motherfucker. When you bite into it, cream filling shoot all in your mouth, glitter.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Cobra. So today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to install Arch Linux. Now everybody knows Arch Linux as the hardest Linux distro to install. However, early last year they came out with a install script, and it's completely already, like, it's in the ISO that you guys download, so you don't have to, run any script or anything. It's already there. So what you guys want to do is make sure you boot your Arch Linux up on a laptop or in a virtual machine, whatever the circumstance is. Make sure you guys have internet. If you guys are, experienced with Linux, then connect to Wi-Fi. If you guys aren't, then just plug up an Ethernet cable. I'm in a virtual machine, so it's just going to go through Wi-Fi, obviously. So let's get straight into it. So just to make sure you guys have internet connection, do ping and then 1.1.1.1. If you guys get a response, you're connected to the internet. So now, let's do sudo arch and then install. Okay, now here, you guys want to select your keyboard language. So I'm in the US, so I'm going to type 26. It's all numbers. So once again, I'm in the US, so I'm going to do 26. Now you want to select the region that you're in. I'm in the United States, so I'm going to do 65. Now you guys want to select your hard drive. Hold on, let me turn my music down. I can't even hear myself think. Okay, so now you guys want to select your hard drive. Most of the time it's going to be the one that has the most space in it. So mine is going to be number 1, which is a 64 gig virtual disk in my case. Then just press enter. Now you guys can select 1 and make your own custom partition scheme, or you guys can press 0 and wipe everything on the disk and make a default partition scheme, which is what I'm going to do. So just press 0 and then press enter. Now you guys want to select I'm going to just say like the partition scheme. So the most recent is Btrfs. However, I'm more experienced with ext4, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to select Btrfs, which is 0, and then press enter. Sub volumes with a default structure, I'm just going to say sure. A disk encryption password. If you guys want to do disk encryption, then type in the password that you guys want. If you guys don't, then just press enter. Now, would you like to select or use snap or swap? I'm going to select no. If you guys know what that is, then select it with whatever you guys want. So now do the host name, which this really doesn't matter, and you guys will see why in just a second. So I'm just going to type root. Now it says enter root password, or you guys can leave blank and disable the host name that you guys just created and make a super user, which is what I'm going to do. So now you guys want to type in your super user name. Mine's just going to be Taylor because that's my name. Then press enter. Now type in your user's password. And for some reason, if you guys use XFCE for your desktop environment, which you guys will see later in the video, XFCE will not boot unless you guys have a password that's over 8 characters long. I think it's 6 actually. I don't know why, but I can't get it to work unless it's a 6+ character password. But anyway, if you guys want to create an additional user, then do it right here. If you guys don't, then just press enter. I don't, so okay. Next, this is where we get our desktop environment. So you guys can either do Xorg, server, minimal, or a desktop environment. I'm going to do 0 because I know a bunch of people like desktop environments. So you guys have everything right here, all the way from awesome down to XFCE, Bungie, GNOME, KDE, Mate, whatever you guys want. So I'm never going to use this virtual machine, so I'm just going to do XFCE, And these all have the same installation steps. I don't want you guys to think that if I do XFCE, then this tutorial only goes to XFCE. That's not how this works. So, now you guys want to select your graphics driver. If you guys are on AMD, choose AMD. If you guys are on Intel, like Intel UHD graphics, then press 2. If you guys are on NVIDIA, I recommend pressing 4 because it's proprietary drivers which are more updated and supported. If you guys are on virtual machines like I am, then do 5. That's what I'm going to do. Then press enter. Now you guys want to select your audio server. You can have Pipewire and Pulse Audio. I like Pipewire better, so I'm going to do Pipewire, and then press enter. Now you guys want to select your kernel. I'm just going to do the default Linux kernel. Press enter. Now you guys want to install any additional packages that you guys want to install, such as web browsers, you know, text editors, GitHub, whatever. Now obviously you guys can do this once you guys get into the desktop environment, but I mean, if you guys want to do it, you know, to boot off with it, then you can do it here. So I'm just going to do Firefox, because once again I'm never going to use this. So just press enter. Now if you guys want to, you know, configure your network with a GUI or a graphical user interface, just to make it simple, then just type in 1, or if you guys are more experienced, then choose to whatever applies to you. I'm going to choose 1 just because it's easier, and then press enter. Now you guys want to select your time zone. So they give 2 examples right here. It's your country and then your city or state or whatever. So mine is going to be US/Eastern because I'm in Virginia. So then press enter. Automatic synchronization, you guys can do this if you guys want to. I'm going to press yes. Now it's going to give you guys a, how do I explain this? It's going to show you like a script of everything that is going to happen once you guys press enter. It shows you all the options that you guys picked and how everything's going to go. So now you guys want to press enter, and it's going to do this all by itself. You guys don't have to press anything or type anything. Now it's gonna, you know, install everything. So to save you guys the headache and the next 30 minutes of absolutely nothingness, I'll see you guys once this gets done. Okay guys, so now it's going to ask you to root into your newly created installation to perform post-installation configuration, which means just change some stuff. If you guys don't want to change anything, then just press no and then press enter. It says installation completed without any errors. And just so you guys know, when you guys are installing everything, do not type or touch anything. I don't care if it tells you to put yes or no. It'll put yes automatically. It might take a couple seconds, but it will type yes. So just so you guys know, because I fucked up installing this a couple times by doing that. So now you guys just want to do sudo and then reboot. You guys got to be quick with this. Press it. Now unmount your drive. Alright, so now it booted into the grub menu, and just press on Arch Linux, and it will boot up into your GUI. Now you just type in the password you put in, and ta-da, it went from a command line to, you know, full GUI. Another thing I wanted to say before I end the video: Arch Linux is a rolling release operating system, meaning when updates come out, all you have to do is do sudo pacman -syu in your terminal, and you guys will get all the latest updates. There is no, you know, downloading anything. You just type in that command. That's one of the things that is great about Linux. Another thing about Arch, very highly supported. The Manjaro wiki and the Arch wiki has a bunch of stuff. So if you guys ever have a problem, Arch wiki and Manjaro wiki, or just a bunch of, you know, like Reddits or, you know, whatever. Linux is widely supported. So yeah, anyway, now you guys have a full working GUI. You're welcome. I'm just playing. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.